Hi guys, and welcome back to Coding, and today we are in Google Docs because we have our list because our system is Gemini, and it's a lovely day to test it out. So yeah, let's just get straight to it and test it out. So if you remember in the last video, we had a Google Sheet thing, which was quite cool because we also used Gemini to make our cost the most efficient, like over here for our birthday party thing. So yeah, this was actually quite cool. So let's get back to that doc, and we'll use that and write a birthday party invitation, and we'll also try some other things with Gemini in Google Docs. So now finally the add function works, so then you can say summarize. So summarize, let's see, we have birthday party, so summarize at birthday party to make an announcement this doc to the participants. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, I love the little Gemini loading thing. Okay, really, that's true. Okay, so let's check. And yeah, it's pretty accurate. So then let's actually go back to the doc and say, let's say give them a rough idea to what the party would include. So let's try that. A little loading start again. Okay, the party will include food, games, music, Nintendo Switch. True. I don't see why they would use this doc actually, but if we go here instead, this is pretty much a useless doc to use. This was a long time ago. I was trying Google Bard, so yeah, this is not important, so I still don't know why it referenced to this doc, but okay, so let's get back to it. So as you can see, our total cost is $279, and let's try another thing with Gemini and docs. So let's try this. Let's say, could you let's say let the maybe caterers of the party know the total cost spellings using at birthday party. Okay, let's try that again. Sometimes it just doesn't work. There you go. Waiting. Okay, to whom it may concern, total cost is 2181. Thank you. Wait, it knows my name. That's sort of embarrassing, but okay. Evenly, I guess it can check my name. So thank you, Gemini, and to whom it may concern. Okay, that's fine as well. So let's go back to this and check the cost. Is it the same with 3258? And this one is 2181. Yeah, the cost is not the same. So let's just try that out again. So let's tell Gemini how much of the food cost. I don't think I put food here, did I? Oh yes, I did put food. Cupcakes. That's the only top food. The answer should be 63 by right. So let's try that out. 1046. Yeah. No, it just doesn't work. So maybe let's say we add an information in our sheet and say people attending. Then let's bold all of this and say let's give 1,000. Okay, so then we'll bold this as well. Gemini knows the information is here. Then let's go back to our doc and say how big should the venue be using the info in at the party. Let's try that. Maybe it should work, I think. Okay, so loading start again. Accommodate about 12 people. Really? I don't think so, because over here, remember we put 1,000 people, so yeah, it's totally not using the information correctly, but that's fine. And let's just get out of this birthday party thing, and let's like open a new doc instead. So yeah, let's just create a new doc. And okay, so let's try Gemini to create an email, maybe about taking a trip to the park. Yeah, it sounds silly, but okay, let's see. Oh, you can actually Google search icon. Let's try with the Google search icon. Where's the icon? Hi there. I was thinking we should plan a trip to the park soon. Okay, we could pack a picnic lunch, go for a hike, and maybe rent a boat to a lake. Best, Ethan Lee. What's the sources? Alright, yeah, you didn't really have to show all my emails. That's a bit embarrassing. But why do we have tons of China issues? No, I don't need that. It's just spamming, spam. So I don't need that. Oh, the new bar model. That must be an old Gmail. Plus, why does it say I have to check for my Gmail? This is like totally unrelated, so yeah, okay. So maybe I wonder if we can use this. So because this is like a bit embarrassing, this floating house thing, because it's like a newsletter I signed up for. But okay, so I think that can finish up today's video. It's like all amazing and stuff, but it just can't coordinate well with Sheets. And my sister has brought her toys in for some reason. She still plays with them for like the whole day. It's like her favorite thing to do. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys! And make sure to check out our Reddit and our Discord server for more stuff and more content. So on this note, I'll just say bye bye.